All right, ladies and gentlemen, this van is pimping now. Freaking pimp. Got the lights. All right, I usually work at night, work on the van anyways. But today I'm gonna install some floor lights to illuminate the floor. Put one right here. I was gonna put one at the bottom of there that'll illuminate right here, and then one over there. I also want to see if I can install a light for the battery station or electronic station, or what would you call it, electrical system. And then on top of that, I need to install some sort of light right here, or maybe right here, to help Ozzy see, because I mean, looking up from there, it's hard to tell. You know, he can't only see it so far. Anyways, I don't know where I'm going with that. All right, so I'm gonna install some lights in the electronic system box. So I've got these lights, LED lights. I'm gonna put one right here, one right there, and then make another bracket for underneath the charger. All right, so I'm making a little bracket to mount underneath the charger. Go like this. And then I got a light right here. I'm gonna leave this space open just in case I need to bolt something else up. All right, here's the bracket for underneath the charger. It's gonna mount like this. Drill this into the cabinet here. I drilled a hole at an angle just so these aren't having a bad, 90-degree bend. Now I need to start to split right there. No biggie. It's not like it's holding anything up other than this little tiny light. So now I need to get two more lights. Well, I messed up. I meant to put the light right there over there, but oh well. Now I just need to wire up some electrical wire and put them in parallel with another light, which I'm probably gonna put maybe right here. Yeah, I think right here would be perfect, right in the middle. All right, so I'm doing some organizing, labeling some more, making some more index cards, and then I'm also gonna put labels on all these wires. Beautiful. All right, so I unbolted this so I can rotate it back. Because look at that, all those wires. Hard to tell what's what. So I'm gonna label these. All right, knocking them out. Getting these all labeled. Got some more labels here. Then I'm gonna put some wire loom on all this just to clean it up a bit, and then as well as these. All right, so the other night I installed these lights so I can check out the system. What I really need to do is hook these up to another switch before this switch, so that if I want, I can turn the system off but leave this on. That way if I have to turn this off, I can still work in here, if that makes sense. But now I just finished making some more index cards, added some more stuff, and then I decided to take note of some electrical, such as, like for instance, We got the left charging port. I used a 12 gauge wire. I put some labels on them. It labels orange. Fuse box location is D1, 20 amp fuse at left side behind kitchen. So let's go to left side behind kitchen, and there we go. D2. Is that what it was? Yeah, D2. And that way I don't get confused, because I might have to splice into one of these. Hey, that's not a seat. What? You are funny. So I hooked up this port. I'm just gonna run it, make sure nothing gets hot. No overheating. Also, thank God for these lights, because it's definitely helping me to work in here. Alright, so I set up some floor lights a couple days ago. Some red ones. I did not like it at all. It just illuminated this, which does not look the best. So, and I really want some sort of, anyways, it just didn't look good. So, went to Home Depot. I found some shiplap, which I think I'm gonna use. But I need to make the studs, so I'm gonna grab some tape and tape where I want to put the studs in their location. That way, when I get the shiplap, that it'll be ready. Just put up the studs, put up the insulation, use some string to hold the insulation in place. And because yeah, I'm ready for the next step. All right, well, just when I thought I was done installing electrical, I hooked up a couple more wires just in case. I think I want to put a lamp right here, a lamp over there, what they're called reading lights. But yeah, I got some tape up where I'm going to put the studs. I think these are going to be inaccurate. I really need to frame the windows first, and then from there I can put the studs up, or actually insulate. But right now it's raining. I'm just going through some paint colors here. I wanted to do black walls, and a couple people had some good points, and that is black makes the space look smaller. But I don't know if that's gonna make a difference with all these windows. You know, there's not much wall surface to even go off of. I guess the ceiling would be more affected than the walls. But I'm thinking white walls, black cabinets, with the light blue faces. And then, because I love copper, you know, that's why I can't see it. I love copper. So I think some copper handles, you know, miscellaneous copper things look really cool. I originally thought this, but unless I do black walls, white cabinets, blue faces, this would work. Otherwise, I don't want black dark on dark. I want light on dark. Hence this. White walls, black cabinets. Anyways, it's a whole ordeal. Anyways, we're gonna head out. I'm hoping to finally get on go on a trip. So we'll see what happens later.